Have you thought about this? You are actually losing money whenever you buy something. Sure, you're getting something, but that thing is either temporary, such as food or cleaning supplies, or it's losing value for you until it becomes worthless, such as appliances and automobiles. So you're losing money, and you're losing out on the money you could be making. That's called opportunity cost, or lost opportunity cost. Even worse, you're missing out on the opportunity to recapture up to 7 times what you spend when you buy things. I'll tell you exactly why this is happening and how you can change that, okay? Aloha, I'm Stan Cox, Principal Strategist and Broker with SC Finance Strategies and Insurance Consultants. I'm also author of the books on the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy. So, the reason why you're losing money and not making money when you buy things is because you could be using the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy and earning compounding dividend interest on your money while you still buy the things that you buy, and recapture up to 7 times the amount of money that you spend. I know it sounds incredible, and it is. It's also very real, because with the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy, we use a protected account that grows with tax-free compounding dividend interest. And it's a liquid asset that you can use tax-free while it continues to grow uninterrupted. Yes, the money in the account is completely protected. It's shielded from any kind of collections, lawsuits, even bankruptcy. As it grows and you use it tax-free. The strategy can even earn tax-free interest for you on the money you pay for income tax. This strategy can provide you with tax-free retirement income. It does not affect Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid. Now, I want to keep this real brief, so I'll just say here that the way this strategy works is by using interest rate arbitrage to leverage the cash liquid asset account to finance the things we buy. And the actual savings vehicle and the way it is designed are critical to the strategy. This is completely legal and legitimate. In fact, the basic strategy has been in use for nearly 200 years in America. Now, if you're like me at all, now that you've heard about this, you'll want to learn more about it. To that end, we have created a free on-demand webinar that you can access at the link in the description box below this video here. It's about an hour, and it will show you how you can actually recapture up to 7 times the money that you spend on things and grow your wealth tax-free. There's no selling in the webinar, just solid information. You will learn exactly why and how you are currently losing money without this strategy, and how you can create your own tax-free cash growth warehouse and begin to make money with every purchase. Create a tax-free emergency fund, pay all your monthly expenses without losing any money, and generate money you can use for tax-free retirement income. Now, if you were me, you'd go watch that free webinar right now. And we at SCFSIC are here for you. We welcome your questions, and we are ready to help you. Aloha and mahalo for watching.